There is a call out tonight in the battle against the coronavirus. The public is asked to be on its strongest guard with COVID-19 spreading. News Channel reporter John Palmentary shows us the frontline fight against the next virus surge.
Our COVID-19 crisis in Southern California has been called dire now, with the impacts of the Thanksgiving surge hitting hospitals in record numbers. And ahead, doctors say we will see if there's a Christmas and New Year's surge, which they fully expect on top of the crisis happening now. On the front line, a medical student with a short break in our area told us,
"My ER has a COVID unit and it's absolutely full. The ER is very full of half the patients I see is COVID positive. Stay home. I know you don't see it because you're not in the hospital, but if you did take the time to go to a hospital, it's as bad as people are saying it is."
This remains a limited stay-at-home order, which means you can get out and recreate and retail stores remain open. But health officials say you have to be creative about how you interact. A mother and her son out shopping locally have gone through COVID. He had it and she kept her distance.
He lives in another house down the street, so I would bring some dinner. And I would knock on the door, drop the dinner, and run.
It was one of the worst feelings he had ever experienced.
I had a lot of muscle aches and I was just really fatigued, but overall, it is definitely worse than the flu.
Now, many weeks later, he is still feeling the impacts, and so are others he knows who have gone through COVID-19.
One of my friends still doesn't really have his smell or taste back, and it's been months. It took mine probably like a month or so to get back, and it still isn't the exact same.
In Santa Barbara, I'm News Channel reporter John Palmentary.
A well-known Central Coast brewery is at risk of shutting down because of the COVID restrictions. The owner is now making a very difficult decision in order to stay open. The owner of Santa Maria Brewing